Hi, Matt Baier of Matt Baier Organizing with 10 places to find more home office space. I'm sure I don't need to tell you that you're not going to find more space in your home office by discovering a door to a secret room. You also won't find it by getting rid of one major category. If that category has been so important to keep, it won't suddenly become so unimportant that you can get rid of it all. So space has to come from a series of small space gains that add up. Here are 10 places to look. Number 1 is obsolete material. Take a good look at your software and computer supplies, for example. We keep the stuff just in case, but it's amazing how quickly it becomes outdated and unnecessary. I used to keep all these supplies in a container like this, but now they all comfortably fit in a shoebox-sized container like this. And that's a really nice space gain. Number 2. File cabinet. If you have more than 2 file drawers and you don't have a business, then you may have a file cabinet eating up precious space. See my series on paper management at the end of this video to find safe, easy ways to discard and archive excess paper. Number 3, horizontal items. Thick date books, large check binders, and other big items that need to lay flat eat up a lot of valuable horizontal space. So, wherever possible, look for vertical solutions. Number 4, drawer limitations. Setting your drawers with a couple of limitations will actually maximize their space value. One such limitation is to never store flat items inside because you won't be able to see instantly what's underneath. Another limitation is to resist the need to pack your drawer. There is value in the viewing space, even though it's open. Number 5, keepsakes. I understand the need to collect incoming artwork and schoolwork, but I wouldn't attempt to curate it as you go. A simple portfolio fits all sizes. Children's and adult keepsakes can take up a lot of space, so I recommend a more remote storage for them to free up your home office space. Number 6, display items. So if you are using keepsakes for display, then I recommend storing them on shelves or hanging them on the wall. I know there's a school of thought that says you should have a photo of your family in front of you so you remember who you're working for. Okay, but I question if you need that reminder or if it's more of a distraction. My argument would be with fewer distractions you have more focus so that you can get your work done earlier so that you can get back to your live family. Number 7, file by category. Here's a very small detail that can really add up. You can fit more files into your file cabinet if you use extra capacity hanging folders. Too many hanging file hooks can pack your file drawer. Number 8 is owner's manuals. I don't recommend wasting file space on owner's manuals. For starters, they're all available online. Take a look. So you could toss them. But if you are keeping the paper manuals, bear in mind that the odds of needing them are remote, and remote need merits remote location. Keep them in a simple drawer, and don't over-organize. Number 9, receipts. The more intentional you are with receipts, the more space you can save. I can identify 4 good reasons to keep receipts. 1 is obviously for taxes, 2 is for items you might want to return, 3 is for capital improvements, and 4 is for insurance purposes. That's for things like jewelry, art, furniture that you want a record for home insurance. I keep a separate file for each reason, but I keep a file jacket for tax receipts because I'm going to this all the time and I like to have it super accessible. And number 10, backup supplies. Storing reliably findable backup supplies ensures that you will have more space where you need it most. How? You'll be more inclined to keep a bare minimum of supplies at your all-important desk surface if you trust that you can find your backup supplies quickly. Again, individually these things may sound insignificant, but collectively they create a significant amount of space in your home office. That's important because the most valuable thing in your home office space is the space itself. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.